Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Marketing. We're taking a look at a 2016 utility, 36'6" by 102, aluminum combo equipped with a universal mounting kit on the back. Carries Moffett, Princeton, Alum, and many other brands. It's a beautiful unit, heavy beam, 73,000 GVW trailer, aluminum combo, brand new kingpin plate underneath this unit. Brand new buyer's toolbox for some storage, air ride suspension, outer rim steel, reconditioned on the outside, brand new rubber, Moffett, Load, Princeton, many other brands will fit this kit system here. Give us a call, 260-238-4998 questions. Refurb steel outer rim, brand new straps, refurbed ratchets. Beam condition on this unit is excellent. Beautiful looking beams. 73,000 GVW aluminum combo. Air ride suspension, 2016 utility, 36'6". Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Give us a call, 260